Okay, so I just want to do a little quick video. Might help you in your trading when you're using US dollar pairs about using the DXY as correlation. I don't know if you've seen this. I think it's called SMT or whatever. I don't know. Smart money diverge or SMD. I don't know. I don't know. I just see these things and I try and see if I can work them, and I don't give a damn what the concept is. If I think it's useful, I use it. So that's just basically me. But yeah, so what I want to basically just head to you, it's worth checking that if the DXY goes up, then the Euro and GBP come down. As you can see, we've had a big push up this week since Monday. And what's happened on Euro? We've had a big push down since Monday. You know what I mean? It's not correlated the exact same, but it does correlate, which is why I thought this trade, what I did, I've shut this out now because it's NFP day and I just cannot be asked to watch that range anymore. It's just done my head in. So I've closed it out here with a slight profit. But when I entered it this morning at whatever time it was, I think I entered it on this pullback into here, I think. So around 10 past 9, what happened on the DXY? We'd tapped into this and we was moving away. So at 10 past 9, we'd like tapped into this and started to move away. Now, I didn't go deep into analysis for this, but I thought, well, we've had a break of structure there. We've got a lot of liquidity resting above here to be taken. We've tapped into a decent POI, that swept liquidity, and then it's broken structure, and then it's broken even more structure to the upside, and that's the extreme. So I thought, well, that's a decent POI. If I were looking at this, I'd want to trade that up, and I'd want to take out this high. And then what am I looking for on Euro? I'm looking to trade this because that's taking liquidity. This one's taking liquidity, and then broke that, making a break structure. So I wanted to trade this and trade it low. You know what I mean? Because they correlate. So because they correlate and they're both at good POIs, I thought, well, why not? That looks like a good trade to take. Obviously, I've traded on NFP day, the worst day ever to trade, and I think I am officially done with NFP day from now on. Um, I thought I could get over it and just trade the mornings and just be fine with that, but no, it's broken my heart. So yeah, that's just a little tip for you. You can see how it works. I'm not going to use it for any other trades. Oh, could I use it for another trade? So yesterday, what did we have? Yesterday, 3rd of Jan, 9:20. What happened at yesterday, 3rd of Jan, 9:20? 3rd of Jan, 9:20. Okay, so I could have used the Dexy yesterday, could I? Because that were half one. So we did on the Dexy at half, whatever I just said, 20 past 9. It did tip into this. So you're like, all right, yeah, could argue that it was a bit of a flip zone, like had a bit of a reaction to it and gone. So I'm like, well, would I trade long from here? Possibly. But there is an extreme down here that got tapped into and then rifled off. And then what happened on at 20 past 1? Come back. And then what did it do? Rifled off. You know what I mean? So it's not perfectly correlated, but it come back, swept my original entry. I think I was out at this point, and yeah, just headed down, and that's exactly what it did on the Dexy. Tapped into there. I might have thought, oh yeah, I'd look for that if I'd have looked at both pairs. Yeah, I'd probably trade from that. Decent, decent. But then it swept that, coming to this extreme, and I would have thought, okay, well it's now at extreme. I'm still bullish on the Dexy, and I'm still bearish on EU. So what am I going to do from this point? And I'm kind of kicking myself now from not looking at this, as I could have used this to my advantage, and I didn't yesterday because it's just something I've started to use. So some days I do forget to do it, but It's just a little tip to help you with your trading to get um to get good correlation for the zones that you're going to use. This is a nightmare. This one's closed out anyway. But what a joke! What a joke of a day. NFP days, don't trade them.